Hi friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to export this HEC RAS result layer to QGIS and prepare the map using the map elements like the north arrow, scale bars, legends, and other features. So to do this, in this RAS mapper, so I have created this a particular layer, so which is the inundation depth for this particular location. So I want to export this location to QGIS and prepare the map. That is the flood inundation map. So to do that, so first you need to go to this one here. So this one is there's a flood model plan. So in that I want to export this feature. So just move to this one, edit map parameters. So in this whole depth maps, I want to get this maximum flood layer, that is the maximum inundation depth. So I have checked it maximum inundation, and I want to store this results on my disk in the raster format, and this one will be the layer name for that file and save. So this one is the just files are created, but these files are not loaded on the screen. So to do that, so just right click on it and compute or update stored map. So it will load this layer, this inundation depth layer on this output sheet. So you can see in few moment. Since the file is large, it takes few minutes. So now we have created the flood map layer. So if you can't, you can better visualize it by going to this layer properties here. So you can adjust it, adjust and adjust it, and thereafter, so this file is saved in this flood model folder. So perform any mm, whenever you export any of this map layer, so which belongs to this particular plan, so this all the files are saved in this particular folder named by this name. So now to add that folder in this QGIS, so I will move to this one in the QGIS, add that layer, that is the HEC RAS layer in this workspace. So move to this one raster, and the raster need selected file. So here you can see this maximum depth, and open, add, close. So here you can see this the inundation depth map of this particular region. So I will add this Google satellite image as a background imagery. So to do that, so you can see this one here, you can see this XYZ tiles. So just in that, select this Google satellite. So if you don't have this, you need to create this new Google satellite imagery by adding this new connection, and copy the Google satellite link, so which I'll provide in the description box. So no worries. So here I have already taken that Google satellite link. So let's add it here. So let's move the layer down so that our this flood inundation map here can be observed. Okay, so we can observe the flood inundation map. So Here you can see it's in. So now move to its properties. In the properties, change the single band pseudo color and classify the ranges. So I will keep this two color component. So select the rest others and remove it. So you can see the color code, it has the two color component variation. So I can change its color to fairly blue, light blue. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, and apply. Okay, so now you can see this flood indentation map with the color, with the colored gridded data. So now move to this layout and prepare the map out of it. So to do that, just open data source. Now this is upwards as project. In the project layout manager, create a file here. Okay, so here you can see these layers are selected. So before that I will zoom this layer, this particular layer I will zoom it so that I will get the enlarged image in this map, in that map. So okay, this looks fine, and let me zoom further. Okay, this looks okay. And here first I will add this map here. So once you drag it and place your mouse, so it will render that image onto this map layout. So you can see this one here, and you can go to move this map items, this item properties. So whenever the particular element is completed, just check for this lock. So once you check for the lock, you can't move. So it will be, you can't move that particular layer. So it will be helpful when we are working on multiple layers of within this map layer. So it will be helpful. So now we are editing it. So let's uncheck it and try to add the grids and all. Okay, modify the grids. So it will the intervals of the grids. So in the x direction, for how many intervals I want the grids. So I will the text 100. So 100 is too small. I'll add 1000. It looks fine. Okay, it looks fine. 100 on this y-axis. Okay, so I will make it a little transparent. This color of this grid line. So I'll make it little transparent. Okay, this looks fine. And what else element? So we need this frame type. So frame is zebra. Yeah, I want to add a coordinates. So coordinate system. So it's in meters. So I will change this position to horizontal on the left hand side and the right hand side. So I'll change this grid coordinate position to horizontal, and it is in this meter. So format is in decimal, or you can change it to so just change this to horizontal. I change it to vertical, and same for the right, on the right graticules. Okay, So I'll reduce the precision to 0 here. So now you can clearly see these reticules of coordinates. So now add other elements. So other elements are this north arrow here. So before that I will check this map layer so that I can't move this layer which is I don't want. So first I will add this map layer here. So here is the north arrow, and I will try to change this color and its style also, and I will change its color, change this fill color to black. It would be better if we black. Okay, it's fine. It looks good with this bad black color. And what else we left? We need to add the scale bar here. Add the scale bar, and you can increase this scale bar units to, if you want the 3 units with the 1 kilometer interval, you can add that here by increasing this scale bar segments. So I have added this three three segments with 1 kilometer interval. As and I try to adjust this. Okay, scale bar I fixed it, and okay, and I need to change its color. Okay, I've changed its color. Yeah, I can, if I want I can change its text color too. So I'll change to, if I want I'll change this to make it bold. Okay, so so what else left? Okay, so the main thing that is the legend of this map. So I will add a legend. So I will add that legend from here, add items, and search for this add legend, and drag it where you want to place. So this is the location. Here is the location I want to place, and so if you want you can change its name. So if I want I can change its name to, I'll change that to maximum flood depth in meters. Yes, and I will add the title of this legend. So that is legend itself. Legend. Okay. So if you want, you can move this layer some pod. Okay. So all map elements are added here. Okay, fine. So I'll check all these and lock all these layers and save this. Or else I can directly save this image. In JPG or PNG, so I'll select, I will save this as JPG image and save this. It will ask for the export resolution, so by default I'll select by default, save. It takes few time to save the file. So now it is saved. So thank you for watching. So we have successfully created this map layer